guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make Swedish meatballs in your Instant Pot. I already have a video up on my channel on how to make Swedish meatballs, but on your crock pot. So I'm going to show you how I made them in my Instant Pot this time. I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and show you the ingredients. Okay, so for ingredients, we're going to need 1 packet of onion soup mix. We're also going to need a cup of milk, a can of cream of mushroom soup, a can of beef broth, some original meatballs. I got these from Aldi. And we're going to need half of this container of sour cream and half of this bag of egg noodles. And of course your Instant Pot, and this is the one I have. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start off by pouring the entire can of cream of mushroom soup. And go ahead and use a spoon if you need to get what's in there. I sure did. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and add the entire can of beef broth. Just dump it in there. Next we're going to add the packet of the onion soup mix. The entire packet. And just add it. And also our cup of milk. And at this point I like to give it a little stir just to incorporate everything. And of course we can't forget our sour cream. Now just remember to use half of this container. If this is a container you're using, we only need 8 ounces of sour cream. This one is 16 ounces, therefore that's why we only use half. And we give it a stir to mix everything well together. So just stir, stir, stir till everything is mixed thoroughly. The sour cream will have some, leave some lumps, but that's okay. Now it's time to add half of the bag of the egg noodles. So just dump half of the bag in there. After that, we're going to add half of the bag of the frozen meatballs. And just make an even layer of meatballs on the very top, and you should be good. After that, we're going to go ahead and place our lid. Make sure you close that tight. We're going to go ahead and put this on a pressure cook, high pressure cook for 12 minutes. And there we go. Let it cook for 12 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and make some green beans. These are frozen green beans that I got from Aldi. Just put a little bit of butter and just dump them in your saucepan. And I like to add some salt. I use the sea salt that I got from TJ Maxx. And I'm also going to add some black pepper and just grind fresh ground black pepper. Alright, so we're going to give it a stir, and we're going to let this cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. It's been 12 minutes later, you guys, and look at this. It's amazing. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells delicious. So just stir it. After it cooked for 12 minutes, I did let it sit for 5 minutes. But this is the final dish. Swedish meatballs, Instant Pot Swedish meatballs, a side of green beans, and our dinner roll. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And let me know what other dishes you want to see in the Instant Pot. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.